Okay everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a dollar store haul. I got a bunch of goodies at the dollar store the other day when I needed a bunch of serotonin, so here we are. To begin off with, I had to get myself a unicorn horn because, like, honestly, this makes everything so much better. Oh. Maybe it doesn't make everything better. What the hell? Alright, there's some construction that has to go with this, I guess. Alright, so here's some glow stick ASMR for you people. Sounds like I'm snapping my neck. Vanna White it real quick. I think that worked. I can do the Disney Channel thing. It was Mickey Mouse, right? Oh wait, I have to do a unicorn one. Because that's what I am wearing. Next craft. You know what? Let's do some arson. A candle making kit. Which I don't know why the dollar store sells, but no questions asked. It has apple cinnamon, which is my favorite candle. More suspicious jars or baggies of white powders. Oh, there's a little cute little container. Apparently I just pour this shit in there, or pour this powder in there and then light it on fire. So here goes nothing. Creepy powder. I might as well go for a trifecta look and just layer them. I don't even have a joke for this. It's just white powder. Looks like cocaine a little bit. Or table salt. I should probably mention I have no clue what cocaine looks like. Clearly. I'm wearing a fucking unicorn head, and do you think I know what cocaine looks like? I think it came out good. Oh, and the scents are apple cinnamon, apricot citrus, and magnolia. So I have no clue what this is gonna smell like other than fruit. Now we put all our trash in a box because we're respectful human beings, and then we just oh, and I got myself a toy because it had a cat on it, and that's the theme that we're going with. Should I open it like a milk carton? Like I'm gonna just chug this, presuming so. Oh my god. There's a little cat on that side. Oh, there's one on the other side. This one's grumpy though. This one resembles my emotional state, so we're gonna open this side first. There's more rules so I don't eat the toy. What is this? This doesn't look safe. Time to find out if this is poisonous. Oh, that's 100% Play-Doh. With no lid. Why? Why? Is this just Play-Doh? I don't know what this is. Help. What the hell is this thing? There's a package inside. There's Play-Doh on the ground now. This is my cat. His name is Ralph. I'm kind of disappointed. I was hoping for a little figurine guy. Oh, there's more. Is that a little beer bottle? It's like covered in Play-Doh too. What the is this? Can someone tell me in the comments if they know what the hell this is supposed to be? Because it's sticky and gross and I love it but also hate it so much. Oh, there's more in here. Oh, there's a little computer mouse because they chase mice because they're cats. Oh, the computer mouse is completely filled with Play-Doh. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing with this. It smells like death. Put the Play-Doh back in the lidless container. Oh, is this the meme sticker? We need some more milk with a Z. I mean, at least it's a little science guy. We got a little science meme sticker. My nails are atrocious. Focus on the sticker, not my face. How exciting. Oh, I got the little science cat. That's kind of cool. Look at him, he's so cute. I also have a painting set of a carrot. They also apparently have an eggplant, which is the one I ideally was looking for, but I could not find. So, as the most phallus object in the entire dollar store, I am going to paint this. Oh, there are bristles on this. This brush fell out and I thought there wasn't bristles and I got real confused. And that is it. So they are presuming I know the colors that this is supposed to be. A weird substance is coming off of this and I'm not sure how to feel about it. Oh, and there's a glitter sealant. How exciting. Time to act like I know what I'm doing. So how are you guys' quarantines going? Like, are you dying inside as well? Have you also done trips to the dollar store for serotonin? Like, I don't know why the dollar store provides my serotonin during quarantine, but it does. I think it's because its chaos matches my chaos, but who knows? This is coming out so bad. I think you guys should check out your dollar stores to see if you also have the same level of f***ery. Like, I'm kind of impressed with the I need to stop swearing. I'm kind of impressed with the quality of the items I have received for my, humble purchase of $1. Actually, no, I spent like 15 bucks. Alright. This is a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. This thing smells like poison. Or maybe it's just a leftover Play-Doh. I think for my next video I'm gonna shave my freaking head because I'm dying of heat stroke right now. Stay tuned. I am going to be bald from now on. Am I even doing this right? What do I even mean by that? Of course I'm doing it right. I'm painting. Serotonin. I wish I knew what to say other than jokes about this. Oh, did you guys know carrots are good for your eyes? And rabbits like them. Let's add some orange to the I don't have any thoughts on oranges either. I kind of want an orange right now. Or clementine. Maybe a nectarine. Apricot. It's not even the same citrus. That's not even citrus. I just want fruit. If anyone wants to mail me a box of fruit, that'd be great. I keep saying that as if anyone is gonna watch this and actually be like, you know what? She needs some fruit in her life. She is malnourished. I'm not actually malnourished. I am the opposite of malnourished. I am, I make sure I am well fed. This carrot looks how my 2020 feels. Like, it exists. It's there, but it doesn't feel great. I'm shaming my carrot. Stay tuned for more carrot bullying. It is orange. So fucking weird. It looks like a carrot. I think I just make it my own though. Let's just write 2020 on this. I can always remember the mental breakdown I was having on camera. Oh my god. Do you guys remember that? Green is my creative color. My friend in high school was obsessed with that video. I'm lying, it was me. I was the friend who was obsessed with that video. I was also really into Charlie the Unicorn when it came out. Yeah, again, if you really want to know things I miss, Vine. I mean, that one should stay gone because we've never got anything done. But I made like 3 Vines and I don't even think they exist anymore. And I believe the app before it actually was big gone. And I didn't know it was gone for like a couple years until after, and I was like, oh no. Oh no. We should pretend we're happy and draw a smiley face. So I went to do a smiley face on it, and that happened, so I guess we're sticking with that. I also got a gemstone exploration kit. I dig it a lot. Get it? Oh, frick. Another tiny paintbrush. My thing to stab. instructions. Place on a piece of paper. I'm gonna do it on this lid. The rest of the video is gonna just be me doing this. Great. Jokes. Okay. Now I have this thing that we are going to destroy and take our aggression out on. Should go all or nothing. Just oh wow, that was actually pretty industrial. That didn't do. I'm actually having to work on this. Like, this is hard. It's probably so poisonous. This entire thing is just oh, this one's a block of cocaine. I wonder how many times I can mention cocaine in this video before I just get banned. I should probably use my little brush. We are that far in, which isn't a lot. I don't want to work out today. I just want to with a toy. What if there's nothing inside of this and I'm just doing this for no reason? I don't know how I feel about that. Oh, it's under my nails. No. No. I don't think there's actually going to be anything in this. There's no way. Why is this table not falling yet? So I'm planning on putting this table, or this video on top of a table that's hanging on top of a box. It's completely empty. My cat is in the room sleeping behind the camera, so the minute she wakes up, she is going to knock it over. Oh no, she woke up. Delilah, go back to sleep. There's loose cocaine everywhere. You're not supposed to see my side hobbies. I found it! I don't know what I found. It's like this reddish orange color. It's super tiny. I found a pretty rock. Enjoy this view of my nasty ass hands and this pretty rock. How exciting. If you guys want to see the rest of the goodies I got from the dollar store, keep your eyes open for part 2 of this video that will be uploaded in the upcoming weeks. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you like and subscribe. If you know anyone who would also be interested in this video, please share it with them. Until next time, stay safe everyone. Bye!